Good morning, guys.
So finally we have decided all of us are going to the beach. Say hi.
Very good, Shoha.
There's water slides. These are the kids area. Kids water slides.
खानदान खानदान पहला वर्ड खानदान है
Those cottages are literally enjoying the fireplace. So it's almost 10:45 p.m. right now. Hi guys, good morning. And this is the day 2. I am starting the vlog at 10:30 because everyone woke up around 7 and then they prepared breakfast. I was sleeping because of Aryan. I slept late at night because of him, so I woke up late. They did prepare breakfast. It was so delicious, and they did keep for me as well. So I had my breakfast. They took clips. I will add it.
Good morning, guys. What you guys are doing now? Could you please say something about
about
what
the
you are doing?
breakfast, we have divided our work within ourselves, and Faisal is chopping the onion, and Rahul is making tea, and me and Kartik are doing the.
And I'm killing the mosquitoes as well.
Okay. Mr. Faisal,
Yes, sir.
what are you doing? Could you please just say something?
Chopping some leftover onions from yesterday.
Making some liquid to make people wake up.
So that's about it. So let's start the day, and let me share with you what are we going to do on our second day. Most probably we will be staying in the resort, in the cottage itself, not go outside. And let's see what we get to do. There are a few activities to be done over here, so might we will be doing all those activities. So finally we have decided all of us are going to the beach. Yes, we will get into the water. It's not so warm, but it's not that cold as well. So I think we can just be in it for some time. Sam, can you keep the keys?
Yes, sure. Thanks.
Oh my god. Hi guys, update. So the time is almost 1:45 p.m. We finished swimming, we took shower, I fed Aryan, and right now we all got ready and we came out to this place where we can do the zip lining thing. I will show you. Friends, they really wanted to try it and they forced Shoha into it. I really wanted to go. They did not have to force me, but unfortunately I cannot go because I have to take the baby. Oh, they have started already.
When I want to come down, first I turn my hook like this, and now I come.
Hi guys.
Hello vlog, welcome to my channel.
So we are in the zip line area. Actually, I'm standing just below. They are doing it here and there. But I just came to show you the berries. I think the berries have already started to grow. Yes, but they're still not edible. But let me just show you. Can you see the berries? Here. Yes, but they're still not edible. Here. These are all blueberry plants. Say hi. Yay!
चलो हम भी आगे चल सकते हैं.
Okay, so the update is that they are still doing the zipline thing. Few of them are like really scared. Obviously, it's their first experience. I really wanted to go, but okay, we'll see if it's possible tomorrow. I don't think it's possible, but okay. Meanwhile, I'm just being a motivator and motivating them from the ground because some points are really high and some are not that high.
दे दो एक ज़्यादा दे देना हमारी तरफ से दे देना 10 एक्स्ट्रा ये बेचारा देख रहा माशी क्या कर रही है Good afternoon. So finally we are here in the red zone.
Jungle of Panama.
There are a couple of our friends still they are struggling to their life and hopefully
They will come down alive.
hopefully they will come down with their broken hands and legs.
Around 4 of them went for the zipline thing and 2 of them got really tired and they came down. 2 are still continuing, so they're almost towards the end. Once they are done with it, then we will be going for lunch, I guess. Meanwhile, I just came across this little water park. I did not know that this water park is open. I did see it yesterday, but I didn't know it's open. But yeah, it's a very tiny one. Just let me show you a glimpse of it. It has just a few rides, a pirate, and that's some jumping castles and all. That's the little jumping castle, the pirate thingy, and those water slides. These are the kids area, kids water slides. That's it. So the plan as of now is that we exit the zipline zone and go to the main center, which is Savulina, for our lunch. It's going to be a late lunch, but that's fine.
सावलीना से ये डिसीजन मेरा अच्छा था कि हम यहीं पे आ गए है कि नहीं वहाँ पे मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था इसके लिए मैं बनवा रहा हूँ सावे ने बोला कि कल कार्तिक ने मेरा प्यारा अच्छा बनाया
खानदान खानदान पहला वर्ड खानदान है दूसरा दूसरा खानदान
खानदान सफारी अरे
So that was the second day's vlog. That is all what we have done. So it's almost 10:45 p.m. right now and the sun is about to set. The view is so amazing, so beautiful. Yeah, I was standing over there enjoying the view with Aryan, but unfortunately a lot of mosquitoes, so I had to come out from there. Our group is sitting there and playing next to the cottage. We do not have any more plans as of now. Just maybe we'll have some tea, not so heavy dinner because we had our lunch around 5. Tomorrow is our last day in the resort. As of now, I don't know what's the plan for tomorrow, but might we will go to the city center again to visit the castle and the nearby places today. But right now I'm going back to the kitchen. Everyone is gonna have dinner now. So yes, I just took a turn and I'm just walking to the kitchen area. So these are the packed foods that I was talking about. We just got it from the supermarket. So many of them.
ठाकुर ने ऊपर लिए
Majority of them took this one, Indian cube. This is really tasty. And these are some special drinks for the boys. So that's all for the second part of the Savonlinna or the Midsummer trip. I will be back again very soon with the third and the last part of the series. Till then, take care everyone and bye-bye.